Okay, I'm going to teach you how to do cramers rule 2. I've already written out the notes so that I can teach you how to do this. So, using Cramer's rule with matrices is just kind of like how we did it before, but you're solving for equations. So, for example, I have the equation 1x plus 2y equals 3, and then 4x plus 5y equals 6. And here is the formula that you have to use when dealing with the equation to follow by. It's kind of like to help you. And okay, and when you have a matrix like this, it's called a coefficient matrix. And I've already used the example equations and set up into matrix form. So how you put that in matrix form is you'll take the x's and the y's and you'll place them in a matrices box. Yeah, okay. You place them in a matrices box like this. And like you basically place them how they already are, except for the last two, because the last two, this is E and F, as you see like on here. So E and F don't go in the matrices just yet, but you place them as they are, like on here. So like 1x, you have 1x, 2x, and then you put the number. It is like 1x, like 1. It was 1x, now it's just 1, and then 2. And then you put 4x, 5y, and you put 4 and 5. Okay? So you is that clear? And so when you put it in matrix form, you basically use this formula right here to find the determinant, and the determinant will help you to solve for the remainder of the problem, and we're just gonna call this determinant A. Okay? Okay, can I put this in the light? Okay. So this is the formula for finding the determinant, and the formula for that is determinant equals AD, which is A times D, minus BC, which is B times C. Okay. So you're going to use this to apply to here. So it's like cross multiplication.
Right.
Okay, so you're going to take the number where A is. So in this case, A is 1. And then you're going to multiply it by D. Yeah, D is 5. And then vice versa for the other two.
2 and 4.
Yes. So, and then when you solve them, this is how it should look when you go to solve it out. 1 times 5 minus 2 times 4.
Yeah.
And then
come out to be 66.
No.
Or you going this way.
Yeah.
This is 6.
Yes.
And this way, it's 6 again.
No, you're not adding them. You're multiplying them.
Oh, multiplying?
Yes. You multiply them together.
Oh, okay.
Okay. When two numbers are close together like that, that means multiplication. Okay, so this will be 1 times 5 equals 5. And then 2 times 4 equals 6.
You're right.
And then you bring those down. And then 5 minus 6 equals -1.
Okay.
Okay? You got that?
Right.
That's how you find the determinant. Then you have to, when you get the determinant, you have to find x and y. Finding x and y is the basis of